We want 5-digit numbers such that using the digits choices are given here. First has to be even, last has to be odd. We'll first be doing is repetition is allowed. Now, if we're doing it, repetition is allowed. Look, first of all, when I say even, any number ending with even is, any number ending with 0 is even, but 0 itself is not even. Look, even and odd are the types of natural numbers. In any case, starting digit cannot be 0. So first digit can be 2 or 4 or 6. Last digit has to be odd is being given. So 1 or 3 or 5. Now, what we have to do is, out of these 7 digits, we have to choose 5-digit number. Repetition is allowed. First digit has to be even. Look, 0 itself is as such not even, and even if it is even, still 0 cannot be the beginning. Now, so first digit 3 choices. Next digit 7, 7, 7, again 3. Look, we have already done it in the concepts video. I have given you why we multiply and all that. This can be 2, 4 or 6. If you are not comfortable why we do this thing, concept video I have attaching it with the solution. So it can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again it can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here this thing. So every one of the choices, these many choices, again every one. So what all we get? 7 cube 343 into 3 1029 into 3 3087. 3087. These many numbers can be formed. This is repetition of the digits is allowed. Now if I give you repetition of the digits is not allowed, let's quickly check it. We want repetition not allowed. Same digit cannot come again and again. Look now, some of you make this mistake. First digit 2, 4 or 6, 3 choices. Then look, we had total 7 choices. We had 7 choices, 1 choice is gone here. So remaining are 6, 5, 4. Now odd, here we have got 1, 3 or 5. Look, this is wrong. This approach is wrong. The reason being, here it's 3 choices perfectly fine, 6. But if here we get all the 3 odd, no choice. If out of these 3, 1 is odd, 2 choices. If 2 are odd, 1 choice. So that's why what we do is, always keep in mind these are all our concepts. That's what, rather than making it too be bookish, we're simplifying the approach. What we always do is, first which should come where, then which should not come where. So first you put it what should be where. 3 choices here, 3 choices here. Look, all the 3 will not go, any one of the 3 will go. All the 3 will not go, any one of the 3 will go. We have 7 choices. 1 is gone here, 1 is gone here. First you should keep which should come where, then which should not come where. So now we have got 3 choices here, 3 choices here. Condition satisfied. Now what we'll be doing is, any one of the 5, it can be odd, even, 5, 4, 3. We're doing is repetition is not allowed. Condition satisfied. So what all we have got here is 5 3s are 15, 15 4s are 60, 60 9s are. Look, calculations you all know. Build up the logic. Again I am telling you, if you are not comfortable here, please go through the basic concepts. So repetition is allowed, repetition is not allowed. This was about repetition is allowed. That's what we did. Then what we have done here is repetition is not allowed. That's what we get the answer here.